Okay, we're to graph the equation y equals 1 divided by 2x over the interval from 0 to 3. So let's make a xy table of values. And starting off at 0, then we'll go up to 1, and then I guess 2, and then 3. So when x is 0, y will equal 1 over 2 times 0, which is 1 over 0, which is undefined. So there is no point on the graph when x is 0. When x is 0, you're on the y-axis, so this means there's no y-intercept for the graph of this relation. Okay, well let's go to the next one. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 over 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so y is a half here. Then when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 over 2 times 2, so that's 1/4. And when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 over 2 times 3, that's 1/6. Now when you're graphing something like this, it's a good idea to convert these numbers to decimal form. It's a little easier to see where they are sometimes when you're graphing. So a half is of course 0.5. A fourth is 0.25, and a sixth is about 0.167. More accuracy than we need when we're graphing, but okay. So let's graph our. All these values are positive, so we'll write x horizontally and y vertically here. At 0, there's nothing to graph. But 1, 2, 3, we've got some values to look at. So when x is equal to 1, let's see the values of y go up to a half. So the highest value here is a half. Let's call it 0.5. Then half of that is 0.25 here. And then 1/6 is about 0.167. So that's going to be, see, that'd be about 12.5, so it's about here. Let's call this 0.17 approximately. That's about 0.17. So when x is equal to 1, we found that y was equal to a half, so that's, we go up here to this point. Then at 2 we go up to 0.25, so we get a point about here. And at 3 we go to about 0.17, so that takes us to about here. And smoothly connecting these dots will give us the approximate graph of this relation. And I'll write the name of it here. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2x. And we have the graph of that relation over the interval from 0 to 3. And a little bit more.